Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with a special Valentine's Day speed build for you. We're going to build set 40638 Lego Seasonal Heart Ornament. This released January 1st of 2023, 254 pieces, and as the front of the box says, it is customizable. So you can build the model that's on the box, you can customize it a couple different ways. There's some more selections in the back. Different ways that you can position like the decorations on this. I think today, however, we are just going to stick with the one on the cover. I'm not going to treat this as a 3-in-1 where I build all the versions of it. I think this one will do very nicely for today. And this one is going to be a team build. My wife is going to construct the stage 1 of this set. And I'm going to be constructing stage 2. So look out for 2 sets of hands in the video today. She wanted this set and very glad to pick this up. I'm very happy to have this as our Valentine's Day present to everyone here. So let's go ahead and get to it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my review of the heart ornament. Here it is. And my first impression right off the bat, it's it's nice. It's a very simply put ornament, like 2 stages inside. The second stage is the bulk of the pieces. The first stage was the framework, which was a lot of brick work involved there, plate work, and the second stage was like all the flowers that you see on this thing. It's very pretty, aesthetically very pleasing. Very good decoration if you decorate with Lego for the holidays like we tend to do at this house. This was a set that my wife wanted, and I'm happy to build it with her. She built the first part, I did the second part, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. Now, in the instruction booklet, there are 2 alternate designs in the back after you finish building what you see here. There's a couple alternate designs where you shift some pieces around. There's actually a bunch of extra pieces left over, different color little flowers and such, left over from the box. They're gonna go into my my inventory because I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm not gonna build the alternate designs. I think this is enough for a set of this size. Besides, it's not advertised as a 3-in-1, so I'm gonna leave it as is. If you get a chance to pick this up, it's only $13, and it's a good little set. And that concludes my review of the heart ornament. Thank you for watching. If you like what you've seen, please give me a like and a subscribe, and also subscribe to my other my TikTok channel and my Instagram channel. Both links are in the description. And that does it. So have a good day and keep on building. Bye. Oh, and happy Valentine's Day as well. Bye.